Okay, I want you to wrap your head around that. When was this fire? About a month ago? If that, maybe a little longer. This is a fully burned part of the forest, and these are redwood trees. These are redwood trees that fully got burned up in the fire. And look at the regrowth already. Look at that. That's already a month's worth of redwood tree growth. The resiliency of a redwood forest is truly mind expanding, because this is a stump from the logging. These are the trees that came from that stump. They burned up. It looks like these trees pulled it off, because redwood trees have a bark that protects them from fire. And then this is at the base. So we see immediate regrowth, which is kind of amazing. I find that to be extremely amazing. I mean, this was scorched not that long ago. And look, here's a fern has already, look at that, just bursting out of the ground. Just bursting out of the ground. Look at this. These are redwood trees. Look at that. That's kind of amazing. That's kind of amazing. This is all new growth, whatever these are. I mean, look at the ash. There was probably so much fuel on the forest floor in here that this is truly almost a blessing in disguise for the forest health. Yeah, you can tell it was a hot fire, man. It was up in the canopy. But here we are. Look at that green. Look at that green.